Yes, today we're discussing about acid rain. Acid rain is basically rain that has a higher than normal acid level, that means low pH. Causes of acid rain. Burning of coal, oil and natural gas in power stations makes electricity, giving off sulfur dioxide gas. Burning of petrol and oil in vehicle engines gives off nitrogen oxides as a gases. These gases mix with water vapor and rainwater in the atmosphere, producing weak solutions of sulfuric acid and nitric acids, which fall as a acid rain. The problem: people probably could not live without electricity. Therefore, coal will continue to be burned. Also, electricity and energy are constantly being overused. Think of it this way: every time you turn on a light switch or the television set without really needing to, you are indirectly contributing to the acid rain problem. More problems. Acid rain can travel long distances. Often it does not fall where the gas is produced. Ice chimneys disappears. The gases and winds blow them great distances before they dissolve and fall to the earth as a rain. Example: gases produced in England and Western Europe can result in acid rain in Scotland and Scandinavia. How acid rain affects the environment. Acid rain is an extremely destructive form of pollution and the environment suffers from its effects. Forests, trees, lakes, animals and plants suffer from acid rain. Especially trees, the needles and leaves of the trees turn brown and fall off. Trees can also suffer from stunted growth and have damaged bark and leaves, which makes them vulnerable to weather, diseases, and insects. This happens partially because of direct contact between trees and acid rain, but it also happens when trees absorb soil that has come into contact with acid rain. The soil poisons the trees with toxic substances that the rain has deposited into it. Lakes are usually damaged by acid rain. Fish die off and removes the main source of food for birds. Acid rain can even kill fish before they born when the eggs are laid and come into contact with acid. Fish usually die only when the acid level of lakes is high. When the acid level is lower, they can become sick, suffer stunted growth, or lose their ability to reproduce. And also, birds can die from eating toxic fishes and insects in the lake. And it also affects buildings. Acid rain dissolves the stonework and mortar of buildings, especially those made out of sandstone or limestone. It reacts with minerals in the stone to form powdery substances that can be washed away by rain. Also affects the transportation. Currently, both the railway industry and the aeroplane industry are having to spend a lot of money to repair the corrosive damage done by the acid rain. Also, bridges have collapsed in the past due to acid rain corrosion. And it is also affects the humans. Humans can become seriously ill and can even die from the effects of acid rain. One of the major problems that acid rain can cause in human beings is respiratory problems. Many can find it difficult to breathe, especially people who have asthma, along with dry cough, headaches, and the throat irritations can be caused by the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides from the acid rain. Acid rain can be absorbed by both the plants and animals. When humans eat these plants or animals, the toxins inside of their meals can affect them. Brain damage, kidney problems, and Alzheimer's diseases has been linked to people eating toxic animals and plants. Research carried out in North America in 1982 revealed that sulfur pollution killed 51,000 people and about 200,000 people become ill as a result of this pollution. Thank you.